Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you, is watching Netflix outside the US via VPN legal? A virtual private network, or VPN for short, guarantees you online privacy and anonymity by converting a public internet connection into a private network. Your internet protocol, IP address, is hidden by a VPN, making it nearly impossible to track your online activities. The most crucial thing to remember is that VPN services create encrypted, private connections that offer more privacy than even a guarded Wi-Fi hotspot. Some of the questions we get asked are, is watching Netflix outside your country via VPN legal? No, legally. To be able to understand the situation even better, let us discuss the restrictions of content by Netflix to other countries. You will immediately be redirected to your country's library when you access Netflix. In the end, whether or not you can access all of the streaming services content depends on your IP address. Why? Geo restrictions, as they are termed, are the reasons for this. After all, Netflix is required to uphold the licensing agreements it has with television and film companies. If you're outside the US and want to view one of your favorite US-only Netflix shows, opens in a new tab, you may do so by using a VPN. Despite some people's concerns, you are not breaking any copyright laws because you have paid for the content through your monthly fee. So as long as you're paying for your subscription, you are not pushing legal boundaries between piracy and streaming. So there you have it. Now you have to remember that the situation can vary depending on the streaming site you are currently subscribed to. It cannot always hurt to do your own research to find the right VPN for your location and budget. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you can claim your free trial on the link below. Check out my channel for more tutorial videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You could find all the links below, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel for more tutorials.